In today's video, I'm going to teach you steps to lock an object. If you've ever nudged a camera or a key prop by accident and thrown off your entire scene, this quick technique will save you time and frustration. We'll keep it simple and precise so you can apply it right away in your project. Start by selecting the object you want to protect in your scene. This could be a camera you've already framed, a light you've carefully balanced, or any reference object that needs to stay put. Make sure it's highlighted in the Object Manager so you know you're working with the right item. Selecting it there is important because the next action happens directly in that panel. With the object selected, right-click on it inside the Object Manager. This brings up a context menu that's specific to that object. From this menu, hover over Rigging Tags, then choose Protection. The Protection option is designed specifically to keep an object's transform safe, and it only takes a second to apply. As soon as you select Protection, a protection tag will appear next to the object in the Object Manager. That tag is your visual confirmation that the lock is in place. From this moment on, the object's position, rotation, and scale are locked. In practice, that means you won't be able to move it with transform tools, rotate it by accident in the viewport, or resize it with a scale handle. It's like putting a guardrail around the object's transforms, which is especially helpful for cameras and scene controllers that should remain unchanged once they're dialed in. You can still select the object and interact with its non-transform properties as usual. The lock simply prevents changes to position, rotation, and scale, so your layout stays consistent even if you're moving quickly or working with a complex hierarchy. If you try to drag the object after applying the tag, you'll notice it won't budge, which is a good way to sanity check that everything is set correctly. A couple of quick tips as you use this. Apply the protection tag once you're satisfied with your framing or placement, so you know you're locking in the correct state. Keep an eye on which object you right-click in the Object Manager to avoid tagging the wrong one. And remember, this method is non-destructive, so you're safely safeguarding your scene while you refine everything else. That's all you need to lock an object and keep your scene stable. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.